So your house was a casualty of a storm. You called your insurance company, they came out, assessed the damage, and paid for a roof replacement. Now what? If your insurance company told you to get a handful of quotes from different contractors and then choose the least expensive contractor, it's essential to know that you do not have to choose the least expensive contractor. You have the right to choose a contractor you want to replace your roof. And going with the least expensive is not a wise choice. Some contractors intentionally bid low to sign the deal, but will then have to cut corners to replace the roof for that cost. Insurance companies are notorious for lowballing on the initial estimate, but they are obligated to restore your home back to pre-storm condition, regardless of the price. So if you meet with a contractor and you like him and the company, but he tells you it will cost more than what the insurance company estimated, if the contractor's estimate is higher, that estimate can be submitted to your insurance company. Therefore, pick the contractor you want to work with, one who will not cut corners and one who will provide you with the best quality roof.